Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Danny, and I am back with another video. So go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment down below so I can keep these videos rolling. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a wood burner to cut your appliques, okay? Materials you are going to need to cut out your appliques is, of course, your wood burner, in which I got this from Joann's. They're at Joann's between $14, $16, and everybody know that Joann's come through with those coupons. So even though it was $14, $16, I can't remember how much I really paid, but I know I just looked at the website and it's between those prices. But if you use your 40%, they always got a 40% discount or 50% discount, as well as you can use they use Hobby Lobby coupons, which is 40%. And therefore, that can take your price down for you. Another thing you're going to need is aluminum foil. Now, you can use the same aluminum foil. I'm not going to lie. This is the same aluminum foil that I used last year. Why do I need to get rid of it when it's still usable? Even though it's a little bent up over there, I can still use this side to cut the appliques on, okay? But if not, you can throw it away and get a new one every time. Last but not least, the last thing you're going to need is your fabric that you are going to use to cut, okay? I got this fabric from one of my favorite fabric stores. It is called Rosa Fabric here in Atlanta, Georgia. I will put the details in their Instagram. I don't think they have a website, but they do have an Instagram where they'll let you know what they have on sale, the things that they have in store. And I got this so this fabric was $30 a yard, in which I got half a yard, in which I know I'm probably going to have to go back and get more. But I was within a budget, so I just had to stay within that budget. And if I have to go back, I will just go back. But I just wanted to go ahead and start on the dress. So again, you need your wood burner. You need your aluminum foil. Check. And you need your beaded lace. And this is for my thumbnail. This is my fabric laid out, okay? And so I'm just going to cut out these applique pieces so that I can sew these to my prom gown, okay? So what you want to do is take your aluminum foil and you want to place it underneath, okay? And what this will do, it will stop the, because the fabric, because with the heat of the, wood burner, it can cause okay, like for example, when I was doing this without the aluminum foil, I was doing this on my carpet. So when I got done cutting on my applique, it was stuck to my carpet because I didn't have anything to put on it. So use a piece of aluminum foil and you will put that underneath your fabric, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this piece here, okay? Now, while you are cutting, you do want to get as close as you can without burning and melting your applique, okay? So you see how I have these beads? And it was one time I also, when I did burn my appliques, I was burning my beads because I was trying to get as close, but be mindful to not get as close because you can burn your thread, and then your threads will start hanging and stuff. So you want to get as close, but not too close. And I will show you. I think this is about done. And what I do, you guys, don't touch this to see if it's hot, because I'm gonna let you know you're gonna have a burnt mark. This gets very, very hot. I had burnt marks on me all last year, and I think it already, you're gonna get marks like, I don't know if you can see, like that on you if you touch it. I don't even know how that happened. So to test it to see if it's hot enough, I just, you know, cut off a piece. And I see it's burning, so it's ready to start working. And it don't take long to also start smoking. and it's also stink. So if you are a type of person who doesn't like those strong smells, then you may want to, you know, cover your nose to protect that. But other than that, be prepared for a burn smell. So what I will do, can y'all see? I'm trying to, I wonder if I put it down some more. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay, so I'm going to start on this side. And I'm just going to cut around, okay? And you're just going to cut all the way around. And then the wood burner, it also comes with different edge pieces. It's best to use the pointy tip than the rest of them because, how can I say it? Some of them, let's just get straight to the point. Like, you just want to cut around, and the rest of them are like shaped differently. You will see once you purchase your wood burner, you will see what I'm talking about. But just make sure you use the sharp tip like this one. And I'm just gonna cut around. And I also pull this out the way, so because sometimes it could be hard and I don't have my glasses on right now. So I'm just pulling it out the way. And you just go around till you are finished. And sometimes I lift it up. You know, once you get in the groove, you just do what works best for you. Just do what works best for you. Okay. Even though this do take time as well, but it's, trust me, this work better than trying to take your scissors and cut, because you will be there all day. And all you're doing is just tracing around. And think about something here. You just and then sometimes when you try to pull it, you probably have that piece of string that you forgot you just take it and just burn it off, and boom, I have my applique. Just like that, using a wood burner. And you see around the edges, let me put this down so I won't burn myself. But you see how that turned out. And what I'm going to do is take this and I'm going to place it on my garment, and I'm going to sew it down, okay? Ooh, that looks so pretty. I did that. And that's it, you guys. Okay, so that's it. It's very easy. It's very simple. All you need, again, is a wood burner, aluminum foil, and your piece of fabric that you want to cut your appliques from. And again, all you do is just cut around and pat down. You got your applique, okay? So thank you for watching this video, and go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment down below so that I can keep these videos rolling. Come again.